This video demonstrates use of myFltTime.com to assign aircraft types to tail numbers in order to get experience totals such as multi-engine time, complex time, or time in an aircraft requiring a type rating. We've loaded a number of log entries that have no aircraft type information. The experience summary shows only our total time. We cannot see any breakdowns of time by aircraft category and class. The instructions at the top indicate what we should do. We'll try that now. Navigate to the flight log. Click on a tail number. We get a view of log entries for that tail number. Click on Edit this tail number. We get the Edit Tail Number form. We can designate the aircraft type used by default every time we make an entry with this tail number. Click the Update box to update the type on all existing entries that have this tail number. Now myFltTime.com recognizes that you have not used this aircraft type before. It shows some instructions about editing the type. We can select the aircraft category and class that applies to this type. Then check any attributes that apply, such as this type requires a type rating. This is a turbofan, complex, high-performance, high-altitude airplane. Click the Update Type button to capture the changes. We see a list of all log entries that have this type assigned to them. Navigate to the flight log to see all entries. Navigate to the experience summary. Now we see time totals for multi-engine, for our type rating, and for each of the other attributes. Most of the totals are the same because we've only designated one type aircraft. Navigating back to our log entries, we find another tail number with no type assigned. Click on the tail number. None of the entries with that tail number have a type. Edit the tail number. Provide a type, and check the box to update the type on all entries with this tail number. Update. And then set the attributes for the type. It is also multi-engine, but it is a turboprop. It is complex. It is high performance. Update the type. All entries with this tail number now have a type assigned to them. Navigate to the flight log, then to the experience summary. Now we see a summary for turboprop. Complex and high-performance totals include both type aircraft. We can start to see some diversity in the experience totals because we've flown two different multi-engine aircraft. Navigate back to the flight log. Everything on this page has a type. How do we know that every log entry has a type? Click on any tail number, then click on List Tail Numbers. We see a list of every tail number used in our log. Two of them do not have types assigned. Edit one of them. Provide a type name and continue as with the previous two types. When you make a log entry, you supply the tail number. myFltTime.com autofills the type. You provide attributes for the type. myFltTime.com keeps your time breakdowns always up to date with your latest entries. myFltTime.com, quick flight logging for pilots.